I just saw in the news. This is actually old news. Again, I forgot to introduce myself. This is Shane from the Shane Report. Today is March 31st, 2013, and I just want to discuss the topic here in the news that I saw. So regarding some sort of health official in Oklahoma, this was actually pretty interesting. They wanting patients to test to see if there's any sort of if they have any sort of HIV or hepatitis, any sort of like disease. Because what happened was, according to the news here, it looks like there was a dentist. I don't know if you've seen the news, but in Tulsa, Oklahoma, I believe, they had a dentist, Dr. W. Scott. What happened was he had dentist equipment that he was using that was unsanitized or basically very dirty, and it said that because of that, and it wasn't in the under certain, when they checked out, like I believe it was probably for an inspector, or I believe the CDC, the disease control preventions, they said that it was not sterilized, and because of that there could be a risk that some patients would end up getting HIV or sort of AIDS if they were going to undergo testing, so they may have that chance of those diseases. And that's, first of all, that's, how could a dentist do that? Like, if the dentist knew that their equipment is unsanitized, then I mean, like, you shouldn't even be thinking about using those equipment or those tools. But apparently that's what happened in news. I think this guy's license should be revoked for that. I mean, you can't just do that to patients. What if that was your family or something like that, and they have to go through the dentist, and they end up getting AIDS and stuff just because the dentist use those tools stuff. I just find that that's pretty scary. It looks like they had some sort of people like Joyce Baylor, I believe, I believe it's something to do with the dentry board. They were saying that they were doing some sort of telephone interview, and they said the office looked clean, and then also Baylor, it looks like he said that he's not suffering financially, and he can't afford instruments, like, but they knew that, according to the department, the dentistry board, they're saying that you have to keep your stuff sterilized, and you have to keep your stuff clean. I mean, that's not very, that's pretty frightening, to know that you're going to a dentist, and then they don't have clean equipment or clean tools to fix your teeth, or if you have any sort of dental issues. I don't know how big this is going to be, but that sends a bad message to a lot of dentists who actually care, keep their stuff clean, and actually want to be a dentist, or there's people who are in this field. And just to see the news like this, just doesn't send a good message. But I'm only going to make this a short video, like I said. If you have any questions, again, please support me. This is my third video. I just wanted to make it a short one today, just because, I just can't believe, this type of practice. I know I cover usually Canadian news, but this wasn't the CBC news, so I can also do some of the American news as well. But it was just so bad that I had to make a news out of this. But yeah, please, if you do see me, subscribe. If you're reading this video, try and see if you can make a comment below. If you have questions, please ask me. Again, if I'm still stuttering, I'm getting much better now. I just, forgot to write my notes today, so that's why I had to look at the computer screen. But I will, get that improved and hopefully sharpen up my skills a little bit better. But yeah, that's what I wanted to say in news. I'm just going to end the video here, but yeah, thank you for watching, and have a good one. Bye.